Okay, so here we are. We just recently did a video on the Joby vlogging kit for the iOS, and I had to return it within 5 minutes of opening that up and doing that video. The actual little lightning connector on the microphone that hooked into the iPhone directly snapped off, and I actually had to get a pair of tweezers to get the lightning adapter piece out of the phone. Luckily, it didn't damage the phone, or else there have been some major problems. But I went ahead and returned that on Amazon. It's still a good product, but, you know, obviously it wasn't working for me. And I came across this one, which was literally half the price. And I decided to go with this one because of this right here. This is the Apple Lightning to headphone jack adapter. All right, so what that will do is that will actually replace having to put a microphone right here on the side of the camera, or in this particular case, the phone, and it will relieve that weight of the microphone and the stress on that adapter, because the microphone will actually mount on the top using a shoe. So this is the, I'm not sure how they pronounce that, but USKeyVision vlog kit. I'll put a link obviously in the description. And inside the box comes a case. And inside the case, this is actually a nice little case. Inside the case, you will get your instructions, the tripod or hand stick. Okay, this one does not extend, but it will give you an extra 5 inches of reach or so as a stick as it is now. When you install the head, you'll get another couple inches. Here's your mount for your phone or your device. This is the microphone, which has the 3.5 millimeter plug on there. Over here is the arm that you can install to the side of the head to put your LED light on. Inside this bag are the cables for the microphone, and I'm sure there's probably a charger cable for the light. And you have your windscreens, your dead cat, and your basic microphone pop filter. Overall, for half the price, the quality feels a lot better out of the box. I have not yet tried to do the install, but we're going to go ahead and do that right now before we move on to the next video. And with this, don't forget, this does not come with an adapter for an iOS phone unless you have the old style, which was, I think, I don't know, don't even get me lying, I have no idea. So you'll have to purchase one of these separately, and I'll put a link to this as well. This was only, this was under 10 bucks when I bought it. So, all in all, this setup right here probably cost me, like I said, half of what I had paid for the Joby Pro. I can't even remember what I paid for this, but it was definitely under 100 bucks, definitely under $75. So check it out. All right, I'll do an update in a little bit. Let me go ahead and get this thing hooked up and we'll see how it works. On to the next.